When we took office, we swore an oath to support and defend the Constitution. It was a promise to the American people that we would uphold the law, protect their rights, and defend our democracy. Kilmar Abrego Garcia, who was legally living in the United States, was wrongfully disappeared to a horrific prison in El Salvador because of an administrative error. And this week, U.S. citizens in Oklahoma were dragged out of their home while ICE agents, with no warrant for them, took their phones, laptops, and life savings, even though they weren't the suspects in question. One of the most basic rights guaranteed in our Constitution is the right to due process. The Due Process Clause in the 5th and 14th Amendment demands that you cannot be deprived of life, liberty, or property without the due process of law. And that means a fair hearing, a chance to be heard, and a chance to defend yourself in court. That is the standard. Look, our immigration system is broken, and I'll work with anyone in a bipartisan way to fix it, but that is not what's happening here. Weaponizing fears and frustrations as a justification for interning innocent people in a foreign prison is unacceptable and unconstitutional. Everyone deserves due process in court with evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. And if we don't defend these rights now, who's next? Your neighbor? Your family? You? Affording due process is not being soft on crime. It is the very foundation of American justice to ensure that the rights enshrined in our Constitution are guaranteed as the founders intended. Standing up for the Constitution is not partisan. It is patriotic. It is our duty, and we need to do it. Thank you, Mr. Takano, and I yield back.